Hello, my friend. Welcome back to another video. So if you're not interested in this Friday's auction, you can skip forward to the art portion of this video, but I want to show you the pieces that are going to be available this Friday, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my channel. So it is my birthday on Thursday. Friday, I'm doing an auction. Be one big celebration, right? So this first piece is 8 by 16 called Landslide. All paintings are going to have at least 2 coats of resin on them when they come to your house. That is my typical way to finish off my paintings. This one here was a swipe that I used primary elements in. Now, most of my paintings have primary elements in them, so they do have that color shifting quality. And that just means if you look at the painting one way, you'll see these beautiful blues. If you look at it another way, you'll see maybe a little hint of a shimmer of green. So it's a really pretty effect. Anyway, I'm just showing you here what the finish will look like on each painting. Painting number 2 is called The Big Boom. It's a 12 by 16 on a gallery canvas. This painting is so pretty in person. There's tons of sparkle. It's very galactic looking. So if you're into that type of thing, this would be your painting. Again, made with primary elements and your typical tube paints. If a painting is not made with primary elements, I will let you know, but I believe all of these are. Number 3 is called Osiris. This is a very Egyptian colored theme type of painting. I used the new scarab beetle in this. Robert, if you are watching, this is the painting we did during the live event last week. Turned out beautiful. Painting number 4 called Flora on a 12 by 24. This painting does not have primary elements in it. This was made just with regular tube paints. I used Holbein brand paints to make this, and it is so vibrant and rich and just a really pretty piece. And the reason why I love these edge blown out Dutch pours is because you can display them anyway. You can hang it this way, you can hang it portrait style, and it looks fabulous. Painting number 5 is called Spectrum. It's a 10 by 20 gallery canvas. Now there's a little change to this painting, and it's a very small change. I will show it to you Friday, but it just made it even more prettier. I went in and added some very thin gold lines in between the petals, and it just really brought it to life. But again, I will show that to you on Friday. This one is just stunning, especially when you look at it up close, the color shifting properties. Painting number 6 is a 14 by 18 that I've titled Luray Caverns. Luray Caverns is a real place. It's a cavern in Virginia that I visited, and this painting just reminded me of that place. If you've never been there, by the way, you should definitely visit. Painting number 7 is called Sunny Days. It's a 14 by 18 mixed media piece. It does not have resin on it yet, but it will have resin. I did a swipe with primary elements on a background, so there will be a lot of color shifting in this. Used my Pebeo Prisma specialty paints and some crackle paste for the flowers. It's a really pretty piece. Painting number 8, 12 by 24, does not have the resin yet, but I am telling you, when you see this Friday, it is going to be bananas how pretty it is. I named it Sola after the brown Sola wood flowers, and it's just, it's not impressive right now, but when you see it Friday, it will be. So number 9 is a 4-inch jewelry box. I make these all the time. Very simple, padded bottom, and a designed lid. Really cute gifts for somebody. Painting number 10 is a 10-inch round called Pink Dahlia. It's got a pretty metallic blue background, hot pink center. Number 11 is an 11 by 14 called Twister. Now this painting right here is going to be another one that's going to be fabulous once the resin is on it, especially the outer area where that black lacing is. It looks very, ordinary, but in between that lacing is the most magical teal and gold lacing that I have ever seen on any one of my paintings. So that's really exciting. Number 12 is an 8 by 8 that I designed with some resin paste, some white pearl resin paste. And then I did a bloom on a 6 by 6 with primary elements and all that, and resined it to the top of the 8 by 8. So it's a really cute piece, and it's called Dainty. Number 13 is called Fantasia. It's a 12-inch round. And what's unique about this piece is you can drill a hole in the center because it is wood and turn this into a clock very easily. I love this piece. Number 14 is a cute little 5 by 3/4 inch wood round. Sides are painted black and it's called Milky Way. I actually did a swipe and then I added some Stickles glitter glue lines, and it really just made it an adorable piece. Number 15 is a 4 by 8 wood panel with 1/2 inch thick sides called Golden Trail. Number 16 is a 4 by 8 called Sunflower. Number 17 is very similar to number 16, another 4 by 8 wood panel, and this one's called Delilah. number 18, Into the Blue 10 by 20 Gallery Canvas Dutch Pour. This Dutch pour is absolutely beautiful, and you can display it either horizontal or vertical. It looks great both ways. And this is the last painting, my friends. I may add a few more in auction night, I'm not sure, but that was what I have for now. So again, I hope to see you all there Friday, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my channel live. So now on to some art. Now this is going to be just a quick little swipe. I'm trying to do a conch shell effect again. I love doing these. So what I'm putting down is some white paint that is mixed with my pouring medium, some black paint that is mixed with my pouring medium, and the colors are mixed with my pouring medium. I'm going to put that pouring medium in the description along with a video that shows you how to mix them. So let me tell you about the colors. This is Aurora, and it's from the WingButterflySet, which is a bling it set from COLOURARTE, which means it's all mica. This is Wine and Roses, and it is a primary element from COLOURARTE, which means it's mica and color. This here, I believe, is a custom color I made mixing two of my primary elements together, snapdragon and maybe French lilac. That was Deep Violet by Golden. This is Interference Gold by COLOURARTE. And the last color here is Compost Blue by Holbein. So let me explain here. The difference between this first color, Aurora, and the second color, the Snapdragon, that you're going to see me put down, is the first color is 100% mica. It's a bling it color. COLOURARTE sells two different colors, two different types of these dry pigments. One is 100% mica and called a bling it color. That can be used in resin and or acrylic. And then the second kind of color they sell is a primary element, which can be used in acrylic pouring. It can be used in resin, but you have to buy their art fluid to dissolve it first to make it resin compatible. So the bling it colors, they are compatible with both acrylic and resin. So I'm using my color swiper that COLOURARTE is also selling now, and I'm going to slowly place it in the center of that puddle after I put my black cell activator on. That is Australian Floetrol and Carbon Black paint by Golden. And you can see just how slow I'm going. This is real time, but the colors just pop out of that black like they're like it's witchcraft. Speaking of Australian Floetrol, it is back in stock at Pixel Paint Designs. You can get 15% off using my code that is in the description. Another thing I have learned: spin slowly. You don't have to whip it. As much as I love to whip it, it feels good to just take that sucker and give it a good crank. Go nice and slow. It will help spread the paint more evenly. I would love for you to pay attention to those little silver pearl looking areas. That is the Aurora from the WingButterflySet, and it is so pretty. So I want to thank you for joining me, my friends. If you enjoyed the video, please click like. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. The next installment for the recipe series will be out most likely Friday afternoon. So stay tuned for that. And I hope to talk to you Friday evening at the art auction. I love you all. And until the next time, Happy pouring.